Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathergo. So I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Grade 2. Now we'll read chapter 4 that says The Little Red Hen. So it's a story about a little red hen. The play is about a little red hen who is very hardworking. She finds some wheat and she plans to make a bread. Let's read to find out what about who gets the bread. So in this we'll be reading about the hen, the red hen who's very hardworking, and the red hen, gets some wheat and plans to prepare some bread. So a small activity we have, identify the following farm animals and write how each of them is useful for us. So I'll just discuss the first one with you. It's a cow, and how does a cow helps us? A cow gives us milk. All right. So next is the horse, the hen, the sheep, and the dog. So you will be all writing the uses. Okay. Now let's read it. So the characters are the little hen, the dog, horse, cow, cat, and sheep. So in this play, we'll be having so many animals, right? So what is scene 1? In a field near the farmyard. Hen, look, I have found some wheat. Dog, is that good news? Hen, yes, it is. I will plant this wheat so that I can have flour to make some bread. Dog, that is a good news. All, we like fresh new bread. So now here we have a conversation between the hen and the dog. The hen says that, see, I have some wheat. And then the dog says that, do you think it's a good news? She says, yes, of course, because, from this wheat, I'm going to make some bread. And then all the other animals, they say that, yes, we all love to have fresh bread. Where did the hen found some wheat? Okay, so where did she found some wheat? In the field. Who like the fresh new bread? All other animals. Which animals? Horse, cow, cat, and sheep. Now the cat says, I like to eat it with lots of cream. Horse, I like the crusty bits. So what are the crusty bits? Crusty is, well baked, the crunchy, crispy, and bits are the small pieces. So the horse says, I like the crusty bits. The sheep says, can we have some now? Cow, I am very hungry. Hen, you will have to wait. First, we have to dig the ground so that we can sow the seeds. Now, hen says that you'll have to wait for some time because we'll have to dig is khodna. We'll have to dig the ground so that we can sow the seeds, right? Horse, that sounds like hard work. Now, horse says we really have to work so hard for digging the ground and then sowing the seeds. Hen, I hope you will all help me. Will you all help me dig the ground? Dog, no, I'm too busy. Ask cat. Now when the hen asks the dog that, are you ready to help me? He says, no, I'm too busy. You can ask the cat. Cat, will you help me sow the seeds? No, I am too busy. Ask horse. So everybody is lazy and they are passing on. Who said I'm very hungry? The cow says that I'm very hungry. Next, sheep. Horse has gone to sleep in his stable. Now, stable is a place where a horse lives, right? Hen, oh dear, will you help me, sheep? Sheep, no, I am busy too. You can ask the cow. Hen, cow, will you help me? No, I'm too busy. Hen, oh dear, I have to do it all by myself. Now, the hen says that none of them is ready to help me out, so I will have to do all by myself. I'll have to do everything on my own. In the next few months, little red hen had to go do a lot of hard work. Nobody else helped her. She watered the wheat plants. She cut the grain when the wheat had grown tall. She took the grain to the mill all by herself. She carried the wheat flour all the way back home. Then she baked the bread without the help of others. The little red hen was quite tired because she had to work so much. After all, she had done everything herself. But then, that satisfaction when you work hard and you do everything on your own, you really feel very happy and satisfied. In the farmyard some months later, hen, yum, the bread is ready. Dog, sniff, sniff, that bread smells good. Cat, can I have some with lots of cream? Horse, Can I have some crusty bits? Sheep, can I have some too? Cow, I'm very hungry. All, please, can we have some bread now? Hen, no, you didn't help me dig the ground. Sow the seeds, water the wheat, cut the wheat, carry the grain, or bake the bread. So the hen says, no, you people will not get anything because you did not help me in any ways, right? I did everything on my own. All, but you can't eat it all by yourself. Hen, I have done all the work by myself, so my chicks, and I will eat the bread. I think that's only fair, don't you? So the hen says that me and my chicks, my babies, will have it all. And I think it's all fair because I was the one who had put in efforts, right? So bread is a type of baked food. It is mainly made from dough, which is made from flour and water, usually salt and yeast. Yeast is, it is added to the dough so that it can ferment. Ferment is, you must have seen mama making idlis and or dosas and adding so that is used for fermentation. So yeast is added to the dough so that it can ferment, right? Bread is often baked in an oven, we all know. Why is hard work a key to success? So why do you feel that hard work is key to success? Hard work is key to success because, when you put in efforts, you work hard, God really, acknowledges your efforts and God pays you back for your hard work and your efforts you've put in any task. So now we have the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of bad? Poor? No. Good. Next, which part of the given sentence has an error? If the sentence is error-free, we will tick mark the option no error. Little red hen took the grain on the mill all by herself. So, what is the error? Can you find an error? Little red hen took the grain on the mill all by herself. First of all, the full stop is missing. So, let's see. Had to work a lot, nobody else. She watered and little red hen was quite tired. She carried the wheat flour all the way back home. Okay. Okay. Little red hen took the grain on the mill all by herself. Only the full stop is missing, right? And on the mill, it should be to the mill. Okay. The next we have the extract, and based on that we need to answer the questions. Why will the hen plant the wheat? Okay, you will have to wait. First we have to, okay, why will the hen plant the wheat? So that hen and her chicks can have the bread which is going to be baked when the wheat is ready. Once the wheat is ready, she can have the flour to bake the bread. That is good news. Who said this line? Okay, so we'll have to go through who said this line because there were so many characters and it is really difficult to recall. Okay, yes, it is. That is good news. The dog said this. Next, all animals like fresh new bread. Cats like the crispy bits. No, it was the horse. So it's a false statement. Okay, take the correct option. Who found some wheat in the field? Who found some wheat in the field? Was it hen or somebody else? Look, I have found some wheat. So it was the hen who found some wheat. Who liked to eat bread with lots of cream? It was cat. All the animals like bread, but they didn't help the hen plant the grains. Why? Because they were all lazy and they did not want to work hard. Okay, now arrange the following in the order with little hen did them. First one is, she sowed the grain, number 1. Then, she watered the wheat when the ground was dry. Then she cut the grains when the wheat had grown tall. Next, she took the grains to the mill. She carried the wheat flour all the way back home, and then she baked the bread. So this is the sequence. Correct? Next, answer the following questions. Who liked the crusty bits? It was the horse who liked the crusty bits. Who took the grains to the mill? The little red hen took the grains to the mill. Were all the animals happy that the hen would plant the grains? All animals were happy, yes, because they all wanted to have the fresh bread, but then none of them was ready to help her. Why did the hen not give bread to the others? Okay, yes, the red hen did not give bread to others because nobody did any work for her. It was she who alone worked hard to get the bread. Little Red Hen did all the work by herself. What does it tell you about her? So what does this tell about the Little Red Hen? That she was hardworking, right? And she believed in hard work, okay? So that was all about the play. Read the play once again because, when you have so many characters, it is really difficult to, recall the dialogue. So read it twice and then you'll be able to recall everything. So I hope you all write the play, read it once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.